Just finished my first session of the IPL, as you can see, super hair free.
So I shaved it beforehand, did machine, no redness, no irritation.
My leg is feeling pretty smooth right now.
And it just left my skin feeling really smooth. It wasn't irritated at all.
I'm amazed. Every time I look at my leg, I am just shocked at the amount of hair that's there.
Definitely starting to see a difference. My arms feel a lot smoother.
Still have some hair, but it's growing so slowly.
Already starting to notice less hair growth, so really pleased with the progress so far.
My skin starts having some bits with no hair.
My hair reduction has reduced way over 50%.
The leg that I'm treating has noticeably less hair now, so that was super exciting to see.
3 days after use, I've got no stubble, no hair present.
Definitely noticed that the hair's become a lot less thick and coarse.
Between the weeks, I've definitely noticed a massive reduction in hair growth.
The hair doesn't seem to be coming back as coarse, and the areas under my arms aren't so dark anymore, so I'm definitely seeing benefits to using the device.
My armpits are looking lighter in skin. I've noticed that the skin tone on my legs is the best it's been in years.
I'd say there's about 5% of my leg hair which grows back, but that hair is very thin. It's nothing like the thick coarse hair that used to grow there.
It's just less of the hair.
There's almost no hair left on my underarms, it's almost completely gone.
I've been even more speechless than I have ever before because I've noticed a massive reduction.
The regrowth has been so minimal, and the stuff that is coming back is really fine and really fluffy. My hair reduction is down like massively.
This week I am in shock. I'm in awe of how much hair, how little hair I have.
I know it sounds exaggerating, but I think I'm done with 99% of the hair.
I'm in love with the SmoothSkin Pure. I think it's brilliant.
I just cannot recommend it enough. It's incredible.